This is another customer mower that I have fixed. Just got done. This is a Brute by Briggs and Stratton. 22-inch front wheel drive. Model 7800583. Serial number 201-431-6414. It's got a I believe it's about a 09. Assembled in USA. Let's see. Yeah, 09. The engine is of course, Briggs and Stratton. Ready Start. 675 series. With 6.75 foot-pounds of gross torque. 190 cc. This mower, he brought it to me. He wasn't sure if it ran or not. I got it to run. But it needed a air filter and cover. It needed oil, so I drained what little was in it, and I replaced it with new. It let's see, it needed the head cleaned out of carbon. I cleaned the spark plug. I had some what looked like water-based paint splatter, so I cleaned all that off. Had dirt all over it, under the deck and everything. I cleaned all that out, cleaned it off. It looks brand new now, because I even waxed it, so it would bring out the shine. It needed front wheels, well, technically one because it was cracked, but the other one was pretty worn. So I asked him about it. He said go ahead and get both. So I think they were about 10 a piece for the wheels. It needed a new desk cover for over there because that one it was just sitting on desk cover, so it was all bent up and shit. That was about $4 for one of those. It needed a drive belt because it wasn't even there. I had to fix the arm that engages the transmission because it was broke off, so I JB'd that. Now that's fixed. I had to sharpen the blade, and I had to I think I still have to kind of lubricate the inside of the cable a little because it takes a tiny bit for it to rebound from disengagement. I put this bolt on here because it literally just had a wood bolt in it with a pointy tip. See, I did a lot to it. What else? Oh, I had to fix the choke control that is part of the muffler system. You know, as it heats up, it starts to move. It was stuck, so I had to soak it in some WD-40 to free it up. Now it works good. Anyways, this won't be a completely cold start. Of course, it won't be super warm either. But even after sitting for a couple of days, this is how it starts. Right up. That all the way down to engage the wheels. Have to disengage it. What you want to do is you want to just let the wheel control up a little bit, and that'll disengage it. See, watch. I got it engaged. All you got to do is it's engaged. All you got to do is just let up a little bit on the wheel control, and it'll just let right up. Like I said, I need to lubricate it a little more. very good suction. See, I got all these little tiny things up in my lawn from this tree. See, this picked all that right up. Well, I dropped it back outside, but still, let's see it cleaned up. I also had to replace this bolt because I mean the nut, not the bolt, because it was missing. I might have to check it again because I either put a little bit too much oil in it or it's actually kind of leaking by somewhere. I think it's or it's just WD-40 I sprayed all over it in certain areas. Anyways, I'll get that fixed. It's also supposed to have some nice yellow hubcaps, but I didn't want to have them pay for those. Those are about, I think, like $5 a piece. Anyways, if you have any questions about where you can get parts, I had to kind of look it up. They're actually easy to get. You have to get a Murray part, because basically that's all it is. It's just a Murray, maybe a little more heavy duty. And I can give you links for that. It's a nice mower, very well built, quality, heavy duty. Blade was a little hard to balance because it's a wave design belt. I mean, a blade. So anytime you wanted to tip it, it kind of wanted to go that way. Other than that, it's about a $330 mower, so you can't really go wrong. You shouldn't have to, or be able to go wrong with that much money. Anyways, so have any questions, comments, like, rate, subscribe. See you next time.